Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. A family thinks it's just a normal day at home, until three suspects disguised as delivery workers pull up, and within minutes, it turns into a violent robbery that shocks the entire neighborhood. There's a knock at the door, and to them it sounds completely normal, but this is the moment everything starts, and they have no idea what's about to unfold. At this point, you can see the second suspect arrive, but he doesn't go to the door. He stays off to the side of the house, and that matters because it shows this is planned, not random. They start walking away after no one answers the door, like they think the house is empty. That matters, because this is when they decide if it's worth making their move. From the camera inside the home, you can see someone step out to answer the door. That matters, because they're stepping right into a situation they don't see coming. The dad starts walking back toward the house with them, thinking it's just a delivery. That matters, because he's walking straight into a setup he doesn't recognize.
Ain't no big dog, is it? Ain't no big dog, is it? Not yet. Hey.
One of the suspects suddenly makes his move, and everything shifts in an instant. This is where it all begins. No more pretending.
Check it out, come here, don't move. Don't move. Move your hand. Move your hand. Move your hand. Open the door. Move like that. Open the door.
One of the suspects calls in the third, bringing him over. Now, all three are in position, and that's when it starts to escalate. The suspects suddenly grab the homeowner, and a struggle breaks out right there. Now it's physical, and the situation turns dangerous fast. They start forcing the homeowner deeper into the house, moving him inside. Now they're taking control of the space, and that raises the danger for everyone inside.
She's right there. I'm not, I swear I'm gonna I swear
They move the homeowner toward the back of the house, deeper inside. At the same time, someone in another room senses something's off, and the tension starts building.
Please, please, don't do anything, please.
The intruders reach the room with the rest of the family, but the mother already called 911 and left the line open. Now everything happening inside is being heard in real time before help arrives.
911, let's see, this is the emergency. Hello?
Oh my gosh. Give me the money. And I ain't playing. Look. I know. Hey, Mario Alberto. Come on with the money, man.
One of the intruders calls the homeowner by name, which immediately stands out. That's a red flag, because it means this isn't random.
Naked. Okay. Ow.
Stop playing with me.
Ow.
Give me the money.
Okay.
I'm gonna smack out you.
Please don't. I will give you whatever you want.
One of the intruders throws the mother to the floor and demands money. Now the threat is direct, and the pressure on the family spikes immediately.
Don't give me the money then.
Okay, that's okay.
Come on. You get where you move to.
Oh my God.
Get up.
I'm getting up.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna smack out your son.
Oh, okay, I'm going.
Come on in.
The intruder forces the mother out of the room to go get the money. Now she's being controlled, and the situation keeps tightening.
All right, where the money? Go get it. Yeah. Go get it.
It's right here.
Get it. Come Open it.
The intruder orders her to open the safe, then strikes her in the head with the gun. She drops to the floor, and the level of violence just escalates sharply.
Ah!
Don't move.
Hurry up. Just hold it. Sit down. If he moves,
The intruder walks the mother back into the living room, where the husband is already on the ground with the kids nearby. Now the whole family is being controlled in one place, and the danger is fully concentrated.
open. Where is that? This ain't all the man. You finna play with me, so I gotta get violent.
No, please
Okay.
don't. Like, that's all the money we have.
This ain't nothing.
That's all we have.
Okay.
Where are my babies?
The intruders flee the scene, gone before anyone can stop them. Then police arrive and walk into a scene where 3 victims have been fatally shot. All 3 suspects were later charged with multiple counts of first-degree murder, escalating the case far beyond the original charges. The identified gunman was convicted on several counts and sentenced to life in prison without parole, ensuring he will never be released. Another accomplice was found guilty on all counts, with prosecutors highlighting the level of violence and the presence of young children during the crime. He now faces the same outcome, life without parole, with sentencing finalized in early 2026. The third suspect was also convicted on multiple murder and robbery charges, and is set to receive his sentence alongside the others. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.